welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let's continue fixing some path issues and some shading issues. So I want to dissolve some vertices because adding some supported loop cuts is going to change the shape and make it weird. Then hit X to dissolve some vertices like these. I'm gonna be using limited dissolve as shown here. So let's select all those vertices to use limited dissolve. Hold down Ctrl X, limited dissolve as shown here, and I'm going to cut using the knife tool. Hit G twice and cut through this section. Hit G twice. Select these two vertices to connect them, then let's rotate it. Select these four vertices like this, X, limited dissolve. Then let's slide this vertex. And slide this vertex, G twice. Hit F to fill. Let's connect these two vertices. So let's see what we have. Let's hide some vertices to add some supported loop cuts through this section without getting to this part, because it's going to make some weird issues. Hit C to select all those vertices going to bridge to connect all these sections. Click on left mouse button, hit H to hide it. Turn off the X-ray mode. Ctrl R. Let's add a supported loop cut. Ctrl R also. Add supported loop cut. So let's drag it closer to this edge. Alt H to bring back the previous hided section. Let's see what we have here. I think I should connect these sections because we have created an hang-on over there. I think it's not bad, so let's see what we have here. We have no topology issues. Let's select all, shift and recalculate normals and to merge by distance. Tap into object mode, switch to this matte cap to see what we have. I think not bad. It's not bad. It's amazing topology. I don't consider that my modeling is very and so professional, but I'm giving some tips for beginners if you want to try it yourself, and you'll learn much more about the topology rules and apply them all one by one in order to avoid that crazy issues due to path topology and distribution of those faces. I think it's done with this piece, mechanical kitbash piece. Thanks for watching.